Hi friends, I am Uday Sagar Kandpal and I welcome you all to yet another lecture on Java using Netbeans IDE. After a few mathematical functions, we will look now towards some string manipulation functions. So, string in Java are immutable class of data. That means a string cannot be muted. Every time we need to change a string, we need to create a new object of string, or implicitly a new object of string is being created by the Java compiler. So, to all my new viewers, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my channel and please comment and share, and if you like my video, please press the like button and press the bell icon for notification. So the topic for today is string reversal. How to reverse a string in Java. So let's create a class string manipulation. Now we need to create a function called a string reversal function. Public static string reverse string s. Now to reverse it, we first need to convert it into a character array. So s dot to char array char c. Since string is immutable, we cannot mutate a string like that, so we need to convert it into a char array. So first of all, we need to traverse a string from I smaller than s dot length by 2. We can use an equal to sign for the middlemost part, I plus plus. So we just need to swap int temp equals to c of I. Now c of I will be replaced by c of s dot length minus 1 minus I. Now suppose their string length is 5, so the index would be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the 0th character would be replaced by the 4th character. So let's try run this. I equal to 0, then s dot length is 5, 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 minus 0 is 0. So c of I becomes c of 4, and c of s dot length minus 1 minus I will become temp. Now since this is a character, we need to convert explicitly to character. Now we need to return a new string, pass the character and array. So let's create the main function for that now to test the implementation that a string is reversed. So we define a string str equals to apple, and we just need to print reverse of str. So before we run this, we need to make sure that our code is correct, and let's look at our code. So there is a string s, we have converted into array. We have traversed half the array because the other half would be automatically accessed by this index s dot length minus 1 minus I, and we have just swapped the elements. So now let's run it. We find that the string is reversed, ELPPA, or from right hand side APPLE. So the string apple is reversed. What will happen if we reverse an even length string? BALL, ball. Let's try this. So it is throwing an error. Why is this error being thrown? Because we have placed an equals to condition in the string. We need not place this equal to condition in the string. We sometimes do this kind of mistake while creating a reverse order of the string. So just we replace this equal to sign, and now let's test. BALL becomes LLAB, which is the reverse order. Now let's again test it on Apple. So it should again give the correct order, ELPPA or APPLE in reverse. So this way the string reversal is done. So this is an O of n function. That means it will take time as proportional to the length of the string. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.